Can't see shit.
When we first sat in the boat and discovered we couldn't see out of the top deck that we currently have, we decided to start something big. We used our scribe tool to mimic the curvatures in the canopy so that we could create an outline around it in Sharpie. We continued this process all the way around the canopy past the back of the windshield. Go big or go home is the motto in our shop, and if we couldn't see outside the windshield, we had to make it work. In order to make it work, we took the grinder to the top deck to see what we could do. Our diamond wheel that we put on our grinder cut through the top deck with ease. The grinder didn't cut all the way through in some spots, so we had to go back just to make that cut all the way through. This is the final cut to detach the deck from the canopy. In order to create a canopy that we could see out of at the correct line of sight, we had to drop the canopy below the top deck.
Getting better.
Although the line of sight was getting better, and we had already put the canopy below the top deck as much as we could, we had to lift the back up in order to create the height we needed for the line of sight to get even better. Here we're just extending the center line that's given by the middle of the windshields. We needed a more semi-permanent way to hold the top deck at the correct height, so we're attaching it to a 2x4, and here we're making sure that we find the center of the 2x4 so that we can place the center line that we drew on the canopy correctly in the center of the hull of the boat. We drew pilot holes with the drill to make it easier to screw through the canopy into the 2x4. The way we positioned the canopy in the boat caused us to have to cut off the back half of the boat in order to shorten the distance between the back hatch and the escape hatch. We started with one full top deck, and now we have 3 pieces. Make that 4 pieces. This piece is the piece that we're cutting off to shorten the distance between the escape hatch and the back hatch. It felt that we lifted this part of the top deck up and off the boat a million times.
Sometimes you got to crack a few eggs to make an omelet.
Well, you know, Allie, everybody's got two eyes, but not everybody's got the same view.
The new vision.